friends, I wanted to talk lighting. Why is lighting important with makeup? It is so important. People often put their makeup on in their bathroom, which happens to be the worst lighting in their whole house because it's incandescent lights and there's often not natural light in there, a big window. So you may think I do my makeup in my office because I'm filming these little videos, but literally every day you would find me in my office doing my makeup because there's a big window right here. Yeah. So this is the best place for me to do it. I have a nice desk to put all my stuff on and I have window light. So invest in a good mirror that stands on its own, just a little one. Like I have these little Mary Kay ones and they stand on their own and so easy to use. Invest in one of those and sit where you have good lighting. Don't get ready in your bathroom just because that's where you keep your makeup, okay? Consider changing rooms if you need to, but get that good light. That way when you get in the car and you open up the little mirror, you don't go, what happened? None of my colors are blended, right? Just start out with that natural light and then wherever you go, your makeup will look great. Have a good day.